I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add your bank account to Stripe for payouts, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for any verification steps. Step 2. Navigate to the payout settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner. From there, click on bank accounts and scheduling to access your payout settings. Step 3. Add a new bank account. In the bank account section, look for an option to add bank account. Click on it and fill in your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Stripe will initiate the verification process. This may involve small test deposits to confirm ownership of the account. Check your bank statements for these amounts. Note, it can take a few days for the test deposits to appear, so keep an eye on your account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once your bank account is verified, return to the Stripe dashboard and confirm that the account is linked. Make sure to save any changes to ensure your payouts are directed to the correct account. That's it. You should now be all set to receive payouts to your bank account through Stripe. If you encounter any issues, their support team is quite helpful. Happy selling!